Have you ever wondered how pythons, one of the largest snakes in the world, live their lives? Today, we delve into the fascinating world of these remarkable reptiles. Imagine a creature so massive, it can swallow an animal whole. That's the reality for pythons, a species of snake found in sub-Saharan Africa, Asia, and Australia. These creatures are non-venomous constrictors, which means they squeeze their prey to death before swallowing it. Their life begins as an egg. Mother pythons lay anywhere from 20 to 100 eggs at a time and display a rare trait among snakes. They provide parental care. The mother python wraps her body around her clutch, guarding it from predators and incubating the eggs with warmth generated by muscular contractions. Once hatched, young pythons are left to fend for themselves. They quickly adapt to their surroundings, learning to camouflage, hunt, and survive. Pythons are solitary creatures, only seeking out others of their kind during the breeding season. As they grow, their diet expands from small rodents to larger animals. Some larger species, like the reticulated python, have been known to take down prey as large as deer or pigs. The python's jaws are incredibly flexible, allowing them to consume prey larger than their head. Pythons have a lifespan of up to 30 years in the wild, during which they may grow to incredible lengths. The reticulated python holds the record for the longest snake in the world, with specimens recorded at over 25 feet long. Living a life of solitude, these creatures are rarely seen by humans. They are more active during cooler periods of the day and prefer to stay hidden, using their natural camouflage to blend into their surroundings. So, what have we learned about pythons today? These remarkable creatures lead solitary lives, are capable of consuming prey larger than their head, and provide parental care, a rarity among snakes. They can grow to be the longest snakes in the world, with the reticulated python reaching over 25 feet in length. We've also discovered that pythons are more active during cooler periods and are masters of camouflage. Despite their size and power, these creatures prefer to remain hidden, living out their lives in the shadows. Indeed, pythons are a testament to the power and beauty of nature. They remind us that even the most formidable creatures have a place in the ecosystem, contributing to the delicate balance of life on Earth. So, the next time you think about pythons, remember, they're not just giant snakes. They're complex creatures with fascinating lives, perfectly adapted to their environments and playing a crucial role in the natural world.